Inside every toothbrush, a tiny revolution is happening. It's a world of miniature motors, gears, and springs. A tiny, yet mighty, device that cleans our teeth every day. But have you ever stopped to think about how it works? Or what makes it so effective at removing plaque and food particles? Let's take a closer look inside this tiny machine. The toothbrush is a marvel of modern engineering, a combination of materials science, mechanical engineering, and design. It's a testament to human ingenuity and problem solving. From the bristles to the handle, every part plays a crucial role. But the real magic happens in the mechanism, a delicate balance of forces and movements. It's like a tiny, precision-crafted Swiss watch. Imagine a tiny motor spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, generating enough force to remove plaque and food particles. But that's not the strangest part. The toothbrush also has to be able to clean all surfaces of the teeth, front, back, and top. It's a challenging task, and it has to do it all without damaging the teeth or gums. A feat of engineering that's both impressive and essential. For centuries, humans have been trying to create the perfect toothbrush. From ancient civilizations to modern-day innovations, the toothbrush has come a long way, but it's still a relatively simple device compared to the complexities of the human mouth. A maze of teeth, gums, and nerves. It's a wonder the toothbrush can navigate it all, and yet it does so with ease and precision. A testament to the power of human ingenuity. The toothbrush is a reminder that even the smallest devices can make a big impact on our health, our well-being, and our daily lives. So next time you reach for your toothbrush, take a moment to appreciate it, the tiny revolution happening inside every toothbrush. It's a revolution that's been happening for centuries, and it's one that continues to evolve and improve. As we learn more about the human mouth and the art of cleaning teeth, the toothbrush will continue to be an essential tool, a vital part of our daily routine, and a reminder of the power of human ingenuity. So subscribe for more fascinating stories about everyday objects, and let me know in the comments what other objects you'd like to learn more about. Want to explore more amazing discoveries? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories.